Siddhartha Murthy. I am currently working at IBM as Senior Advisory Consultant. I think big data analytics is the go word in IT industry going forward. So that's why I decided to switch on to big data analytics and learn the same. There are just too many opportunities at IBM to work on big data analytics. It is just that we need to prove our credentials and start working on it. So opportunities are just there in a lot of companies, and so are in IBM. I thought Great Lakes or Great Learning, based on its previous credentials with other programs and its ability to deliver, the association of Great Lakes with University of Illinois, and the hands-on lab that would be available, and finally the cost, the price of the course, are some of the factors that made me decide that this is the course to go for. The faculty in general have been very good. From nowhere, I have picked up Hadoop and big data and got great opportunity to work on Python, R, PySpark, and now machine learning. And the mini projects have just been too good to get started on the real projects that one would work on in companies. Absolutely, this has been a great program, and I can just recommend this to anyone. This is a program that one needs to check out, and if one is serious about professional career.